Today, we are taking you behind the scenes of a concrete floor restoration. Step into our project spotlight and see how we use SpecChem's line of products made specifically for polished concrete floors to transform old spaces into shining works of art. This project took place in an office building outside of Kansas City. First, the team ground down the old floor to remove the old deteriorated concrete and allow maximum adhesion for the epoxy primer. After using Polyfix to ensure all cracks and holes were filled, they applied SpecPoxy 1000 across the whole room, leaving no corner untouched. Next, they broadcast sand over the SpecPoxy 1000 to create a textured surface for Speclevel-PCT to adhere to. Then they mixed Speclevel-PCT. One of the benefits of Speclevel-PCT is its ability to take integral color with dye or pigment. The team added a dark pigment to give the floor a rich, dark color. They then poured Speclevel-PCT out and used gauge rakes to ensure uniform depth throughout the room. Less than 24 hours after application, the team was ready to begin the polishing process. Using hand grinders for precise detailing and commercial-sized grinders for larger areas, they went through step by step to get the perfect polish, resulting in a beautiful, reflective shine. Throughout the polishing process, they applied SpecChem's LithSeal to densify and harden the topping. Finally, All Shield EX was applied to protect the flooring from future staining, ensuring a polished concrete topping that would last. For more information on our concrete products and systems, visit our website or reach out to our knowledgeable team. SpecChem, America's #1 manufacturer of concrete construction materials.